Hello everyone, welcome back Simulator First Person View channel. Today, let's review and unboxing Red MOMO Universal Aluminum Steering Wheel Quick Release. To install with the MOMO Prototipo steering wheel liter 350mm. So let's unboxing, see the package. China Post. Only $20. Quick release, very cheap. So let's start. Red MOMO quick release. See, the box come with red and logo MOMO Italy. Red quick release hub kit. Top, bottom. Yes. Let's unboxing. First, you have the Allen key and the six short bolt and 6 long bolt. Total 12 bolt to install the quick release. And the quick release with Red MOMO. See, it had the red color and MOMO Italy logo here. Look nice. Looks very strong. Okay. See? And you have compression link to install with some type of horn button here. Quick release made of high quality T6 bitted aluminum. It fits all universal most car. 20mm here and also 24mm here. Two sides of pitch diameter, 70 and 74 pitch diameter. See, male part or the motor bed side. That's 70 pitch diameter 6 hole here to the motor bed side. And the female part had total 8 locking ball. You can see total 8. 5 here, and the opposite side had the 3 here. Total 8 locking ball. Same as the male part had 3 hole here and 5 hole at the opposite side here. It is easy to release by pull the locking link here. This is a wheel side and bottom is the motor base side. Pull this locking link like this and it's released very easy. When you want to lock quick release, you cannot slide female part into the male part, same as NRG quick release. You cannot slide same as NRG quick release. Yes. You must pull the locking link that release the locking bond and to unlock the position before then can slide the female part to the position here. You must pull the locking link to install. Very easy. And the dimension, the height is 60 millimeter high, and the diameter is 85 millimeter diameter. 60 millimeter high. Yes. The weight of the MOMO quick release is about 600 gram. Weight of the MOMO weight 600 gram. Now it's time to install MOMO red quick release to the MOMO Prototipo 350 millimeter liter steering wheel. First, this wiring for horn button, remove this because we do not use with the steering wheel. Remove these two wires. Remove two bolts here and here. Then pull it out because we do not use the horn button. Okay. And then install the steering wheel. Put the 6-bolt paper screw. At the 70 millimeters pitch. Tighten bolt in the opposite direction. Start from here. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6. That's it for perfectly contact. Install horn button. Because this is a small horn button diameters, you must use compression link that come with quick release to install this. Yeah. First, install the compression link. Yeah. then the on button, put this metal wiring side first into the hole of quick release. And then push on bottom, set the center. Okay, that's it. Oh, yes, look nice. Come. Now install MOMO Prototipo to the U base. Very easy to install. That's it. Look cool. Yeah. This is MOMO Prototipo and red MOMO quick release. Very good. View and quick release. Okay. Hope you like this video. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.